Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports Android applications through the Google Play Store. Most modern Chromebooks do, but it's good to verify. Make sure your operating system is fully updated for the best compatibility and performance. If the Play Store isn't visible, you might need to enable it in your Chromebook settings menu. Once the Google Play Store is active, open it up and use the search bar to find Brawl Stars. You'll see the game icon. Simply click Install to begin the download and setup process. This usually takes just a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Ensure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage space for the game and its updates. A stable internet connection is key for a smooth installation. To ensure the best gameplay experience, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up valuable system resources for Brawl Stars. You can also adjust the in-game graphic settings to a lower quality. This often significantly improves frame rates. For competitive play, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to minimize latency and ensure a more responsive experience. Brawl Stars on a Chromebook typically uses keyboard and mouse controls. You'll use the WASD keys for character movement and your mouse for aiming and shooting. If you encounter any issues, like the game crashing, try restarting your Chromebook first. If problems persist, clear the app's cache through your Chromebook settings or even reinstall the game entirely. Always check for game updates too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.